Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Basic Programming Language. Basic or beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code is versatile and user-friendly programming language that has played a significant role in the history of computer programming. It was designed with the aim of making programming accessible to beginners and non-programmers. BASIC has evolved over the years and has been implemented in various forms on a wide range of computer systems. A brief history of BASIC. BASIC was first developed in the mid 1960s by John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Kurtz at Dartmouth College in the United States. Their goal was to create a programming language that would allow the students with the little or no programming experience to easily write and understand computer programs. The original basic language was relatively simple and featured a limited set of commands. However, it was an immediate success and various versions of BASIC were developed for different computer systems, helping to make computing more accessible to a broader audience. One of the most influential versions of BASIC was Microsoft's implementation, known as MS Basic, which was included with the first personal computer, the Altair 8800. This marked the beginning of BASIC's widespread adoption in the emerging personal computer industry. Key features of BASIC. Simplicity. BASIC is renowned for its straightforward syntax and minimalistic structure. It uses plain English words and simple commands, making it easy for beginners to learn and understand. Interactivity. Many implementations of BASIC allow for immediate program execution and debugging. This interactive mode encourages experimentation and learning through trial and error. Platform independence. BASIC has been adopted to run on a wide range of computer systems, from early mainframes to modern personal computers. This portability has contributed to its enduring popularity. Support for graphics and multimedia. Many variants of BASIC include built-in commands for graphics and multimedia operations. This makes it suitable for creating simple games and graphical applications. Community and educational support. BASIC has a rich history in education and remains a common choice for teaching programming to beginners. Numerous resources, tutorials, and communities exist to support learners. Legacy. While BASIC has evolved over the years, its influence can still be seen in modern programming languages. Concepts from BASIC, such as variables, loops, and conditional statements, are fundamental to many other languages. In conclusion, BASIC is a historically significant programming language that has introduced countless individuals to the world of computer programming. Its simplicity and user friendliness have made it an excellent choice for beginners and educational purposes, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of technology. Basic Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code has several advantages that have contributed to its popularity and continued use, especially for beginners and educational purposes. Here are some of the key advantages of Basic. Simplicity. Basic is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Its syntax is straightforward and uses plain English words, making it accessible to beginners with little to no programming experience. The simplicity reduces the barrier to entry for new programmers. Readability. Basic code is often highly readable, which is beneficial for beginners and for collaborative programming. The use of clear English-like commands and minimal punctuation makes it easier to understand and maintain code. Interactive mode. Many basic implementations support an interactive mode where you can enter commands and see immediate results. This interactivity allows for quick experimentation and debugging, helping learners understand how their code works. Educational tool. Basic has a strong history as an educational programming language. It's often used in schools and beginner programming courses to teach fundamental programming concepts, which provides a solid foundation for learning other languages. Platform independence. Basic has been implemented on a wide range of computer systems, for early mainframes to modern personal computers. This platform independence has made it a versatile choice for learners and programmers working with different hardware. Thanks for watching our video. If you really like our video, please press the button of like and subscribe our channel. Must press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.